Hi, I'm Christopher Schaufelman. In the next 60 seconds, let's take your anterior delts from your weakest link to your secret weapon with Eileen forward shoulder raises on the pad of least resistance.
We're going to work the front of your shoulders, also known as your anterior delts. This is a relatively small muscle compared to your chest and therefore prone to injury. So start with small movements and gradually increase the range and intensity. Clip your leashes into a sturdy fence, tree, or post. Facing away from the pick point, put your hands through the loops and grab the straps. Walk forward so the straps put tension on your straight arms when your knuckles reach about an inch in front of your thighs. Then, controlling your descent with your shoulders, slowly plank forward while restraining the motion with your arms straight. Once at the bottom of the movement, reverse the motion to drive your knuckles forward while keeping those arms straight and pull your plank almost vertical. Be careful not to tip yourself backwards at the top of the motion. Check your equipment before every workout, have a training partner spot you, and always leave the gym nicer than you found it.
To build superior welts in your anterior delts, come on, Eileen, on the pad of least resistance.